to record screen on the Realme C71, all you simply have to do is just first move into the quick settings, extend them and take a look around these settings, around these buttons, and find the screen recorder or the screen record function. As you can see, it is available right here, and in case if you cannot find it, press three dots on the top right corner and go for edit, and right here take a look for more of these tiles right here and find yourself this screen recorder. But if you're having the screen recorder just right here, you are able to just press this button to record screen, and now you are being asked if you want to start recording, and here you can select which sounds you'd like to record. You can record the system sounds, you can record the microphone sounds, like you can select what you want or what you don't want to actually record. So yeah, select anything that you'd like, adjust it, you can select to don't rewind again, and simply start recording. And this right now, I selected both these options, probably, I don't really remember right now, but yeah, now it will record screen and audio. So that's basically it. That's how you can record screen, and after that you can go for this notification right here to stop the recording and press this stop button, and that's how you can do this. Pretty simple.